A renowned U.S. economist has said reports in the U.S. press about so-called Chinese economic calamity or collapse are stupid. Jeffrey Sachs, director of the Center for Sustainable Development at Columbia University, said China is a dynamic and innovative economy with plenty of development ahead.
There have been many silly, I'd even use a stronger language, stupid articles in the U.S. press about the Chinese economic calamity, the collapse or coming crisis of China. I don't believe that. China is a very dynamic economy, very innovative, very successful at low-cost, high-quality production of many of the most important goods and services the world needs right now, like photovoltaics or wind turbines or batteries for zero carbon energy or electric vehicles or fast rail, 5G. All of these areas are areas where China is highly competitive and also providing financing to many developing countries through the Belt and Road Initiative and the Asia Infrastructure Investment Bank and the New Development Bank to help invest in these technologies and in China's low cost and high quality infrastructure goods and capital goods.
Furthermore, Sachs argued that China has a big market worldwide and big export growth ahead.
I think China has a big market worldwide and a big export growth ahead, not necessarily to the United States market, but to most of the developing world, which is the fastest growing part of the world economy. So when I look at China, I see a lot of innovation, a high-quality workforce, advances in many key technologies, and the ability to be the low-cost producer of the goods and services that we need for sustainable development. All of that, to my mind, means China has a lot of successful development ahead that will be of real benefit for the whole world.